Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add watermark to your CapCut video. Adding a watermark is a great way to protect your video from being copied or stolen. So let's get started. The first step is to create or choose a watermark that you want to add to your video. A watermark can be a logo, a symbol, or even just your name. You can create a custom watermark using graphic design tools such as Canva, or you can choose an existing one from your gallery. I have this logo with me, so I'll be using this logo to add in the watermark. Now let's open up the CapCut. Just tap on this plus icon, and here select the video that you want to add. I'll choose this video, and I'm going to tap on add. Now to add the logo to your video, just slide down from here and select the overlay. And now by selecting this, tap on add overlay and select your logo. Just tap on add. Now from here you can see the watermark is added to your video. Now by default the watermark size will be like this. And now from here you can use your two fingers to increase or decrease the size of this. I'm going to select this and place it right here. Now if you want to add some animation to it, you can use this animation. Or you can use the fade in or fade out effects. Once you're happy with this, just tap on this tick icon. And there you go. Now let's play the video. From here you can see you have added your watermark to your video. You can also adjust the timing of the watermark just by using these sliders. There you go. Now you have added the watermark to your video. And once you're happy with your video and the watermark that you have added, it's time to export it and share it. For that you can use this option to change the resolution and select the frame rates. And now once you're happy with it, just tap on export. And once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to any other social media such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to add watermark to your CapCut videos. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.